Welcome to the Great Garden channel. To give you more options for caring for your orchids using organic fertilizers. In today's video, I'll share with you a completely natural fertilizer method using simple, easy-to-find ingredients, ones you may already have in your kitchen. After just a short period of proper application, you'll see clear changes in your orchids. New roots grow vigorously, with green plump tips that grip the growing medium well. Leaves become thicker, deep green and glossy, with reduced wrinkling and dullness. Flower spikes grow strong, with large, even buds, signaling a vibrant blooming season ahead. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Now, let's get started. This is a dried onion that has already sprouted. Sprouted onions should not be used as food, but they are rich in enzymes, vitamins, and natural sulfur compounds, which help stimulate root growth and enhance plant resistance. First, cut the dried onion in half. Next, chop the onion into small pieces as shown in the video. Chopping helps break down the onion's structure, allowing its active compounds, sulfur compounds, and vitamins to be released more easily into the water during soaking or fermentation. As a result, the solution becomes more concentrated and nutrient-rich, allowing plants to absorb it quickly, enhancing antibacterial and antifungal effectiveness, and supporting healthy root and leaf growth. Next, put all the chopped onion into a clean glass cup. At the same time, use eggshells as the next ingredient. Eggshells contain a large amount of natural calcium along with essential trace minerals. First, put all the eggshells into a mortar like this. Next, crush the eggshells into a powder or fine granules. This helps plants absorb calcium and minerals more easily and increases effectiveness when used for orchids and other plants. In the next step, add all the crushed eggshells together with the previously chopped dried onion. Add 500 milliliters of clean water at room temperature to dilute the solution, making the concentration appropriate and safe for the plants. Then, stir well so that the nutrients and minerals from the eggshells dissolve and release into the water, forming a solution rich in calcium and trace minerals that strengthens roots, thickens leaves, and boosts the plant's natural resistance. Finally, cover it and let the eggshell solution ferment for about 1 hour. While waiting, we proceed to rinse the plant. This step is very important, helping to awaken the root system and prepare it for effective nutrient absorption. The layer of clean water evenly moistens the growing medium, washes away salt residues and dust, and creates a well-aerated environment for the roots to breathe and exchange nutrients. At the same time, the tips of young roots are activated, roots expand, and their capacity to transport water and nutrients increases. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the plant absorbs nutrients quickly and evenly, preventing fertilizer shock or root burn. After rinsing, lift the plant out and get ready to apply organic fertilizer. After 1 hour of steeping, I strain out all the solids from the dried onion and eggshells, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid extract. This is the solution we will use. Finally, add 1 liter of clean water to dilute the solution. Now the organic solution is ready to use. Let's start watering the plants in the garden. Method 1. First, I pour the diluted eggshell and dried onion solution into a dedicated watering can. Then, gently water around the base of the orchid, so the solution slowly seeps into the growing medium and directly reaches the root system. Eggshells provide natural calcium and minerals, helping orchid roots become stronger, reducing the risk of root rot, and supporting thicker, firmer, glossy green leaves. Dried onions contain natural antibacterial, antifungal compounds and trace elements that protect the root system, enhance resistance, and stimulate healthier growth of new roots. You should water once a week. Once the plant has stabilized and is growing vigorously, you can reduce it to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain balanced nutrition and support long-term, sustainable orchid growth. Method 2. Gently pour the prepared dried onion and eggshell solution into a small cup. Then, use a soft cloth or a cotton pad to lightly soak the solution and carefully wipe both sides of the leaves. Here, I will wipe the leaves of the orchid. The solution made from dried onion helps remove dust, mineral residues, and long-term buildup on the leaf surface, while also providing natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds that help reduce pests and diseases and strengthen the plant's resistance. Eggshells are rich in natural calcium, supporting leaf cell structure and helping the leaves become thicker, firmer, healthier green, and more color stable over time. When wiping, be sure to clean both the upper and underside of the leaves so nutrients can be absorbed evenly into the leaf tissue. Doing this 1 to 2 times per week will keep orchid leaves clean and healthy, help prevent fungal diseases, and improve nutrient uptake without harming the plant. Method 3. Pour the dried onion and eggshell solution into a dedicated spray bottle, then start watering the plants in your garden. Misting allows natural nutrients from calcium-rich eggshells, combined with dried onion containing natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds, to evenly coat the entire plant. As a result, the plant receives essential minerals, leaves and roots become stronger, and a gentle protective layer is formed, helping to limit harmful bacteria, fungi, mold, and pests. You should spray once a week during the first month, then reduce it to once a month to maintain long-term effectiveness. After spraying, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes so the leaves and roots can absorb the nutrients. If there is still water remaining on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton to prevent creating a favorable environment for fungal growth. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. Once the leaves are completely dry, the plant is better protected. The risk of leaf and crown rot is reduced, and it will consistently remain healthy with thick, glossy green leaves full of vitality. Results after 2 months. The most noticeable result is the root system. New roots grow continuously with green, plump, and firm root tips. Clear signs that the plant is absorbing natural calcium from eggshells very well, combined with the natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds from dried onion. This helps keep the roots strong, reduces the risk of root rot, and promotes faster recovery. The leaves have also improved noticeably. Orchid leaves have turned a deeper green, with a glossier surface and a thicker, firmer texture. Leaves that were once wrinkled and lacking vitality are now plump and full, showing that the plant is being properly nourished and has gained significantly stronger resistance. Each bloom that opens not only showcases natural beauty, but is also the result of patience, gentle care, and the choice of natural nutrients from eggshells and dried onion. This simple method not only helps orchids grow vigorously, but also brings positive changes to the entire garden, keeping plants lush, healthy, and full of vitality. What do you think about this natural orchid care method? Have you ever used eggshells or dried onion for your orchids? Please share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear stories from your garden. If you find this content helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the Great Garden channel so you can continue this green journey with me through simple yet effective plant care tips. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next green adventures.